you need to replace the 12-volt battery on a BYD Dolphin? Well, luckily in this video, I'm going to show you how. The process is fairly simple, but this has a lithium-ion 12-volt and it's located under the rear seats. So first things first, let's head to the back, remove the seats and any protective plates to allow us to gain access to the battery. Let's go. Okay, so the 12-volt battery is underneath the rear seats. First thing, as this car has electric seats, we're going to move them all the way forward. Secondly, we need to move the key 5 or 6 meters away from the vehicle. We can then remove the seat and remove the battery. So let's do the key first. In the seat, there are 2 clips at the front, one here, a sharp pull, and then we can remove the seat. Remembering that there is pressure sensors in here, so there'll be a harness we need to disconnect. So don't lift it out and pull. We're going to bring it up gently, disconnect the harness, and now we can take out the seat. Okay, now the seat's out, we have a number of bolts with the protective plate. So we have 5 10mm bolts here. We have some of the seatbelt bolts, which are 15mm, and we have a center one here, which is smaller, 13-14mm. So let's remove all the bolts and let's move this plate up so we can access the battery. We can remove the world's longest bolts. Okay, next seatbelt bolts. Now, all of the bolts are out. What we had to do is take a little bit of trim off to be able to get the movement on the carpet. So we just make sure the carpet is clear. All the bolts are out. Making sure of the wiring, we can just lift the plate up. Now this allows to reveal the battery. And there's an important note here. It says, please disconnect engine compartment before the main battery. So what we're going to do, head to the engine compartment. We're going to pull the connector on the DC to DC, because at the moment we have voltage here, which is supporting it. So we need to kill the voltage before we disconnect here. So let's head to the front and do the front disconnect. Now, as per the official instructions, we now need to disconnect one of the high voltage cables to stop the power from the DC to DC powering the battery in the boot. So high voltage gloves on, and let's pull the cable. So the first is the lock. We lift the latch up and click it into position. The second part is lifting up the lever, which will separate the high voltage cable. Now the front's disconnected, we're going to remove the top plate. All you need now is a 10mm. We're going to disconnect the earth strap, disconnect the 2 lives, 3 bolts on the battery, and we can then remove it. So let's first disconnect the earth. We can then disconnect the lives. And then finally, we can disconnect the 3 bolts holding the battery in. Now when we lift the battery out, we have a plug at the back. We can lift the battery out and we can see we just have the harness to disconnect here. So we'll get a trim clip underneath, disconnect the harness, and then we can remove the battery. And there we go. That's the LFP battery fitted to the BYD Dolphin. As you can see, this is 12.8 volt, and this one is only a 13.6 amp hour, but significant weight saving over a standard lead acid battery. Now, to rebuild the system, it's exactly the same as disassembling. The only big difference is we're going to first reconnect inside the engine, put that back on first, then everything else is an exact reverse of disassembly. The live cables go first, then the earth cables. So I hope you found it useful. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.